In September at the Las Vegas Convention Center is going to be a really important show for the bakery industry, IBIE, International Baking Industry Expo. And why is it important? It's important because vendors like us are going to be bringing equipment for you to come and look at. We want you to be able to see the equipment, get your hands on the equipment. What we're going to be bringing, and I don't want to say too much, is some of our latest technology for you to see, really focusing on cleanability of the equipment. We focus on easy to clean equipment. We call it tool-free quick take apart. So come to the show and then you'll be able to see for yourself the equipment that we're designing and bringing to the industry that is easy for operators to work with and easy to clean.